Hello, I'm Santa's Christmas elf. To ask me a question, please press my tummy.
We all grew up on stories of simple toys that came to life through the power of magic. But what's the most powerful magic around today? Could it be the artificial intelligence called GPT-3? This algorithm, recently developed by OpenAI, costs a whopping $12 million of computing power to train. It's so powerful it can answer questions, write books, generate computer code, and even have seemingly intelligent conversations. So this holiday, I picked up a $1 toy elf to see if I could implant this amazing AI into its body. Would it come alive? Did it pass the elf Turing test? Should elves be worried about losing their jobs? Let's build it and find out. Okay, let's ask you some questions. Where do you live, elf?
I live with Santa at the North Pole. It is very busy there, but it is a nice place and is just on the other side of the rainbow.
Other side of the rainbow, that sounds nice. Are you a computer code or are you really alive?
Sometimes I ask myself that. I think the other elves and Santa know for sure, but they never tell me.
That's a weird answer. Do you have a message for all the good little boys and girls out there for Christmas?
Absolutely. This year I would like you to remember that the best present you can give Santa is if you have been nice all year. Then I will make your wishes come true. Ho ho ho.
Well, thank you very much, little elf there. I think you passed the elf Turing test. So what do you think? Could it pass for an elf? What questions would you ask it? I'm Stephen Robinson, and I head up East Rock Software, where we provide developers and development help in building applications in React, Rails, Python, to name a few. We also solve complex data science and machine learning challenges for our clients. So if you want a little magic breathed into your project, please reach out at eastrocksoftware.com. We'd love to help. And finally, from me and the elf, we wish you a very happy holiday.